Hello again. On this two-car DMU unit from Dapol, I've decided to fit cab lights and side warning lights. And what I'm going to do with the cab is make a cardboard cab. Make one out of cardboard. It'll fit in there. That will reflect the light back outwards, and it's ever so easy to do. All you need to do basically is just cut a piece of cardboard that's I think 22 millimeters. Yeah, 22 millimeters in length by 10 millimeters in height, and then cut a little square flap in the middle like that. Just a little flap in the middle that will then push down into the cab. And then when that's been pushed in on the roof, about there will be a yellow surface mount LED pushing light down into the cab there. And then with the cardboard cab in, it'll keep the light from leaking, and it'll look very nice from the front when it's done. Because at the moment all you can see when the roof's on is the wiring. So I've decided to go and do it this way. I think it'll look very nice when it's done. And I've drilled the holes ready at the side. 1 millimeter holes these are. If you can see that there. It's 1 millimeter holes, and they're for the orange side lights. I've done that both ends on both of them. And the LEDs that I'll be using here are the orange lighthouse LEDs, and again I'll post a link in the video description to where you get these from. And what you do with the LED is, as they're 2 millimeter in width at the end, you just basically file them down to 1 millimeter and just slot them in, and just put a tiny dab of glue on top of those two supports there to hold the LED in place, and it will just hold in nice. And I should be using some very fine gauge wire to link them all up. And as you can see in there, I've painted the inside of there correctly as well. The tops of the seats, the bars are blue, and I've painted the carpet and the rest of it like a navy matte, because they were shiny and carpets aren't shiny. So I thought I'd better correct that as well. And it does look good with the light beaming down on it. And so basically this piece of cardboard that I've just cut there will just, oops, got the wrong way, will just fit into the train. Like that. There you go. Now when you look at it from the front, you can see it really gives a good impression of being a proper cab fitted. And when the the yellow LED is in there beaming light down on that, which will be connected to a separate decoder, it'll look very nice, I think. So okay, that's my progress so far. I'm waiting for a lot of parts to turn up. I'm waiting for me DCC controller to turn up. I've decided not to go with the Hornby Elite, as I've been on a few forums and they've advised me to stay well clear of it, because it's apparently not even good enough to be used as a door weight or a paperweight because of that light, and it's very plasticky feeling to them. So I've decided to go for the NCE power cab. That is upgradable, but for the amount of trains I'll be using, which will be about 5 or 6, I'll just get the NCE power cab basic set. That will do me. It'll save me fine, that will. And looking at the reviews on that, it seems a nice piece of kit, and everybody I know that's got one have said nothing but good things about it. So that's the one I'm going to be getting. But as far as this cab's concerned, as you can see there, that's just the way it is. And when you put the roof, or I'll just put the roof on temporary, show you. Just click that down there. There you go. And when that's lit up, it'll actually give the impression of being a cab in there with the yellow LED on. So I hope you find this useful, and have a bash at doing it yourself by all means. It doesn't cost mega bucks to do this sort of thing, to this train. The micro decoders that I'll be putting in there, they're only $14.99 each, so I'll just need one for each coach, so £30 for the pair of them. The LEDs are about $1.99 for 10, and the wiring, well, you can pick that up anywhere, very cheap. I've got a bundle out here out of an old IDE cable that I didn't use. Very, very fine gauge wire, all different colours. So I'll be using that. And when the LEDs are all put in everywhere, I should be just putting a tiniest amount of super glue on the sides of the tops of these windows, just to glue it down so none of it's showing anywhere. And I think it'll look rather nice when it's all done. So again, thanks for watching my videos, and I'll keep you updated with the rest of the progress on this train. Now to ngaugeuk UK, who inspired me by this train in the first place, thanks a lot, mate, for all your suggestions and things you've helped me with. Regarding the Schaffenberg couplers, that is actually broken. That one's broken. It looks like it's working now, but when you put it on the train, the middle comes out. The one on the other train's okay. This one, yeah, it's broken. When I took it off, I broke one of the springs in there. So I've contacted Dapol about this, and thanks to you for giving me the link on Facebook. They're going to get back to me, see if they can get another one sent out. So thanks ngaugeuk UK, and thanks for watching my videos, and happy modelling.